Your home is your sanctuary, a reflection of your personality and style. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or completely transform it, chic and simple decorating ideas can make a big impact. In this video, we'll explore beautiful home decor ideas that bring elegance, charm, and functionality to every corner of your home. Let's get started. Start with a neutral base. A neutral color palette sets the stage for a timeless and sophisticated home. Soft whites, warm beiges, and elegant grays create a calm and inviting atmosphere. These shades also serve as a perfect backdrop for adding pops of color through decor, textiles, or accent furniture. To keep things interesting, mix in different textures, think linen curtains, velvet cushions, and a plush area rug, to add depth and coziness to your space. Elevate with minimalistic decor. Less is more when it comes to chic decorating. A decluttered space with well-chosen statement pieces can create a refined and stylish look. Here are a few simple yet effective decor ideas. Heavy checkmark statement mirrors to enhance natural light and create an illusion of space. Heavy checkmark sleek vases with fresh flowers for a refreshing touch. Heavy checkmark coffee table books and sculptural accents for a curated, designer feel. By focusing on intentional decor, you'll achieve a home that feels effortlessly stylish. Add character with art and wall decor. Walls are the perfect canvas to express your style. Elevate your space with gallery walls featuring framed prints, family photos, or abstract art. Oversized artwork to make a bold statement. Floating shelves styled with books, plants, and small decorative objects. These simple additions add personality and charm to any room without overwhelming the space. Layer lighting for a cozy ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in home decor. Instead of relying on a single overhead fixture, layer different light sources for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Light bulb table and floor lamps for soft, ambient lighting. Light bulb pendant lights or chandeliers to create a focal point. Light bulb LED strip lighting or sconces for a modern touch. The right lighting not only enhances the aesthetics of a room but also sets the mood and makes the space feel more inviting. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing nature indoors instantly makes a home feel more fresh and vibrant. Consider adding herb indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, or succulents. Herb wooden furniture or decor pieces to introduce warmth. Herb woven baskets and rattan accents for an organic, cozy touch. Natural materials create a balanced, grounded, and welcoming home environment. Final touches for a chic and simple home. The finishing touches truly make a house feel like home. Here are a few effortless ideas to complete your decor. Sparkles throw pillows and soft blankets for added comfort. Sparkles scented candles or diffusers to make your space smell amazing. Sparkles decorative trays to keep small essentials organized stylishly. With these simple yet thoughtful additions, your home will feel polished, cozy, and effortlessly beautiful. Transforming your home into a chic and stylish haven doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these beautiful and simple decorating ideas, you can create a space that feels warm, elegant, and uniquely yours. Which idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.